serás la única y por ti lo dejo todo. Ay, dime que sí y no me dejes solo. Saca del infierno este diablo y su dolor. No digo mentiras, soy tuyo, mi amor.
Soy tuyo, mi amor.
Okay, ladies, so in this class, we will work a footwork, okay? When I do a footwork, I like to combine it with a shoulder movement, okay? So, let's go with the combination. Ladies, let's start with my weight, my balance here in the left leg, okay? And we wanna do this. Infinity hips, okay? In medium position. So, 1, 2, and use the syncope. 3 and 4, okay? Come on, try. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? And close. And when I finish this move, okay, I step the 5, I do a little kick in 6, close and down and open. Yes? So, from the top is 1, 2, push with my hip, okay, and change my feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and now open the both leg, okay, and with my hip go backward. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and transfer my way to my right leg, okay? And 1, 2. I do an infinity hip, but while I change my focus. Okay, so 1, 2, and push to the floor. 3, 4. Okay, and follow this move with my shoulder a little forward and push with my arms. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Okay. How you see, I change a lot my focus. Okay? For doing the traditional step, you need do a small step. Okay? If you want to do it more big, it's impossible with the music. Okay? Don't have timing. From the top, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, pendulum hip. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this moment is pendulum, pendulum, 7, and 8, and. Okay, use the syncope. For do it, I need, again, do it a small step. Okay, if you want, do it like ha, ha, chaka. It's impossible with the music, okay? So, small step. In your center. Pendulum, pendulum, cha, a, a. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Yes? And in this moment, we are here. To diagonal right diagonal. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? I transfer my weight forward and back. Forward and back. Yes? And move in the same time my arms. Cross. Open. Open. Yes? It's like forward, backward, forward, backward. And look, We are here, okay, to diagonal and change the focus. Yes, and now use the syncope. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, one more time. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Double tap, and the second we will finish up with my knee. Yes? Okay, now when I finish here, I start in 1 with my right leg. Okay? Cross forward, open, cross forward, open, and always I change my way. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, but try keep my way with my chest forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 2 forms for do it. The first, move your feet. Okay, and the second, like a slide. Push, 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 push. Okay, how you prefer. So, we are here, double tap. Okay, when I finish this, I start with the other step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, with my shoulder is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And open with my left. 1, 2, infinity hip, 1, 2, cross backward, while double tap. 3, 4, and transfer way. Open, hey, basic. It's okay? So, one more time. The last part. Double tap and cross, open, and infinity, infinity, double tap, infinity, and push. Basic. Yes, from the top with counting with me. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. In front of you, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, hey, basic. Come on, try with music.
El Rey Supremo.
Basic traditional style.
Henry Santos. La bachata de hombre tigre.
Infinity.
Cuando un hombre contigo
Let's go.
le vende sueños y negocia una ilusión, vestido de poeta.
Todo macho que se prometió a su hembra la quiere convencer.
Double time.
Pero es auténtico y real como sus intenciones.
Basic. Let's go. Otra vez.
Morena, por un beso tuyo yo dejaría hasta la botella.
Dígale más, dígale más.
Ay, morena, con una caricia que tú me dieras se va mi pena. Pero ayúdeme, Luis.
Y un.
Serás la única
Hey.
que por ti lo dejo todo. Ay, dime que
Básico.
sí, y no
Basic.
me dejes
And wait for the
solo.
mambo.
Saca del infierno este diablo y su dolor.
Vamos a esperar al mambo.
No digo
Se
mentiras.
6, 4, 5, 6, 7.
La grasa de la bachata.
Sigo.
Esta noche te voy a complacer. El destino, la noche, la luna me darán la razón.
Doble. Recupero el básico. Basic. One more time.
Difícil, pero vas a caer.
In the side, infinity.
En mi juego, en mi cama, sacándote miles de emociones.
In the side. Keep roll.
Ay, morena, por un beso tuyo yo dejaría hasta la botella.
Keep roll with the basic.
Ay, morena, por una caricia que tú me dieras se va mi pena.
Let's go.
Robo por nada.
Tú serás la única y por ti lo dejo todo. Ay, dime que sí y no me des solo. Saca del infierno este diablo y su dolor. No digo mentiras, soy tuyo, mi amor.
Soy tuyo, mi amor.
Ladies, if you first time practice footwork, maybe it's a little difficult. But if you control your change way faster or the faster movement, okay, you will be able to play with the music. So practice and see you in the next class.